We turn now to a battle of bike helmet laws. This is between the state and this little city here, El Cerrito. In California, the law states that if you're under 18, you have to wear a bike helmet. But in El Cerrito, everyone, it doesn't matter how old you are, you have to wear a bike helmet. So if you're caught without a helmet, you could face a hefty fine. And KRON 4's Jonathan Bloom explains why many are complaining about El Cerrito's version of this law.
I just thought it was insane.
Michael Schaller was riding his bike to work when a cop pulled him over and wrote him a $127 ticket for not wearing a helmet. Schaller's ridden the same route for years, but it's the first time anything like this had happened. You see, it turns out as soon as you cross this line into the city of El Cerrito, you're required to wear a helmet if you're riding a bike in this bike lane or anywhere else in the city. This 8-foot-tall welcome sign doesn't say anything about bike helmets, and as far as we could find, neither does any other sign in the city. There are signs about bike lanes, bike routes, and bike trails, but nothing about bike helmets, even though El Cerrito is the only city in California that requires adults to wear them. There are signs about parking, signs about speeding, but nothing about biking with the wind in your hair. And Schaller's attorney says that's not legal.
It has to notify those citizens of that ordinance before it runs out and starts issuing tickets. That is just a basic fairness requirement.
They took the ticket to court, and a judge ruled Schaller not guilty. But last week, a KRON 4 producer saw police in El Cerrito giving out more tickets to bareheaded cyclists, even though there are still no signs.
It doesn't make much sense because, I mean, if they really want people to wear helmets, it doesn't seem like the best way to do it. I mean, not tell people about it and then write tickets.
We called El Cerrito police to ask them why, but they never called back. Schaller's conclusion?
Maybe they were just out for some cash.
In El Cerrito, Jonathan Bloom, KRON 4 News.